playing this game. Your wishes came true. That's right, guys. We're back playing Dumb Ways to Die. Alright, we gotta fix it. Wait. I wasn't ready. Oh. Oh, he exploded. I think he died. Alright. What do I do? What do I do? I can't read that fast. Oh dear. And I lost a life already. Oh, slap. Come on. Slap that penguin. Yeah, KO. Alright, hold still. Do not move, everybody. Everybody, do not move. Oh, yeah. We did it. Okay. Oh, God. Come on, I gotta do this fast. Please, do not burn me. Do not. You burned me. Alright. Oh! Dang it! I thought going over there was the best strategy. Guys, remember in my last video I said that?
Here. Woo! This is so easy. When you're over here.
Guys, remember that? Huh? You remember that? Alright, let's just play again. How am I losing my life already? What's happening? Okay, let me try again, guys. We're gonna go back to quick play. Stretch it. Good. Alright. Stir. Hope I don't die. Okay, we made the Krabby Patty. Next one. We're doing good, guys. We're off to a great start. Wait. Oh. Come on. Oh, no. Why did I do that at the wrong timing? You gotta be kidding. Oh, no. Oh, no. Stupid cloud. Alright. No. No. Oh, no. I gotta stretch. Please. If I die, I'm going to scream like Golden Freddy. Come on. Oh, very bright. Surprise! Alright, let's do this. Ha! I gotcha! Ha! Faster. I hope I don't fail. Please do not pop. Please. Yes! Alright. Oh, it's like it? Here? Okay. Faster. Okay, we gotta start stirring. Oh, we're off to a fast start. Come on. If I die now. Alright. Please tap. Please, come on. No. Alright, guys, we can add like the pole. You can add the ice cream. Do not like that pole. Alright, that's it. Oh! Woo! Oh yeah! I'm on the roll! Woo! Yay! Alright. Okay. I'm on a butter roll. Oh! Got it! I got it! Gotcha, alien! Alright, I swear to God, if I fail, I swear to God, if I fail. I will be about to turn into Golden Freddy mode. Alright, let's stay still. Da-da-da! Oh, I gotta pay. If I die, I'll scream like Golden Freddy. Alright. No! Yes! We did it! Alright. What do I do? Oh, follow the pattern. Okay, I am bad at this. I am bad at this, guys. I am bad at this. Oh my god, I'm really about to go Super Golden Freddy mode. I will turn Super Golden Freddy mode if I lose my last life. Come on, please, just let me tap, come on! What? Why did I get past this part? Alright, please, if I lose my last life, I'm gonna turn into Golden... Alright, guys, let's do this. No! Oh, I got him. Oh, no, rats, no! I will literally about to rage right now, guys. My patience is at 0 right now. My patience is at 0. If I lose my last life, I'm going to scream like Golden Freddy and then end the video.